Hi, I'm Joanne and welcome to my new kitchen. I'm going to do some cooking today, and today we're going to do a couple of appetizers and actually a full meal. But the appetizers that I'm doing right now are appetizers that I use for a lot of different events. I've used them for nice events, I've used them for barbecues, we always use them for game day. So I'm going to get started now with the first one. So I'm going to make some jalapeno poppers. First thing I did today was take the jalapenos, cut them in half, de-seed them and devein them. I just cut them in half and use a spoon. Always wear gloves when I do that because you don't want to get all the oils on your face and on your hands. So at this point I don't worry too much about it, but you want to start with that. And so I'm going to just put some cream cheese in them, wrap them in bacon, cook them for about 25 minutes. You want to just keep an eye on them because they will burn. And just want to put some, and then what I do is take the full slice of bacon and cut it in half. Try to get the meaty bacon and kind of a thicker bacon. Otherwise you'll end up with just a rotation of fat around your pepper. So I just wrap it around, tuck it in, and just continue on until you have a full sheet tray. I typically will get 1 pound of bacon. Half pepper makes about 24 slices or 24 pieces. Never have any complaints over them. Even people that don't like spicy will like them because you've removed the seeds and the veins from it, so they're a much milder pepper. Here's a tray of them all ready to go. I'm going to put them in at 350, approximately 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them again just because sometimes the bacon will burn or the peppers will get done quicker. I have a convection oven. I put in a regular oven 350. I put them in my convection oven at 350. And then when they're done, we'll plate them up. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. Let's take a look and see what they look like. The bacon should be crispy. The cream cheese should be oozing out of them. The pepper should be nice and soft. Looks perfect. This is why you want to watch them. It's because they can burn. So once they get to this point, you want to make sure that you're keeping an eye on them. I usually just let them rest on the top of the stove or put them somewhere where they can cool off for a little bit so that you can plate them up. All right, so now they're cool enough to touch, so let's get them plated. Just plate them. I grab the white plate. They look nice on a white plate. The bacon's nice and crispy. You can see that the peppers are soft. So I'm just going to plate them up. I actually like the little bits that are left on the tray. Nothing like a little bacon and sour cream or cream cheese to brighten my day. I just like to put them around the plate. I'm going to put a little bit of cilantro on the side of them so everything is better with a little fresh green herb on it. You'll be surprised at how non-spicy these really are without the seeds. You want to make sure you take care to do that when you're cleaning them. Some people don't mind, but if you're serving different people, some people the spicy is just a little bit too much. Some of them are wimps. You have some wimpy friends. A little bit of fresh cilantro. Beautiful and ready to eat.